Yeah, we work on a number of high-end developments, so single dwellings, large mansion-style homes, I guess you'd call them. There's some particular things you need to look at when you're designing basements for these type dwellings. So it's really looking at those high-end vehicles that are usually associated, and typically they're characterised by low clearance to the ground. So where there's certain ramp grades you'd often adopt, you probably want to make it a little more generous or a little less steep, so that you give a level of certainty that these vehicles will be able to get in and out without scraping. You don't want to be pulling the front off your Ferrari going down into your basement. So there's a few things that you really need to consider in terms of making sure that those grades are a lot more gentle. Also manoeuvring, you don't really want a high-end dwelling that's cost a lot of money to build, and it's a poky little basement layout where it's difficult for residents to get in and out. So you err on the side of being a little bit more generous, longer spaces, wider spaces, bigger access aisles, where the area permits, to make sure that all aspects of the dwelling will be high-end, not just the above ground.